first check this one. It's asking me for my level in the system. So let's view my level. This one is almost similar to this dogs. When dogs was launched, it will first check your ears or Telegram. Oh, this one didn't give me anything. Oh, wow. So how do we play this one now? Oríṣiríṣi is coming on Telegram. So as you can see now, each one of us, we are farmers. As long as we are farming, just farm. Whether you are farming in the main farm, if you cannot farm because of kidnappers, you come and farm on Telegram. All are farm. If you can farm, so all are farm. Oh yeah now.
Abdul the champion. Abdul ojú ẹ̀gbọ́n ìlọ́nà ẹ̀ nígbà máa bá mi máa gbá kí ni máa gbà.
The hyping of this Tomarket something is so high. It promises to be a very good.
Oh, serious?
I beg, leave me alone. It's a bountiful harvest. Can you see that now?
You do it, you know. Now you play Tomarket.
Pé kí sáré parí ráùdù ní títò lọ. Abdul fi rílẹ̀ o.
Ayíkọ́.
Mo ti sọ fún ọ tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣe meeting kọ́ máa pè àwọn èèyàn. I'm coming.
Tomarket.
Wow. I'm weeding the wheat on my farm, applying fertilizer. Mo mọ bọ̀bọ́ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ó pupa. Hi Ola. Hello, can you hear me? 1 minute, please. Hello.
The one you said Ayola. Now you say, can you hear me? Bad guy.
Ola, Ola don't catch me.
Oh.